Bhubaneswar is set to experience a new wave of cultural celebrations with a total of 12 Pathotsavs planned for the year as announced today by Urban Development Minister Krishna Chandra Mahapatra. He emphasized that this initiative aims to bring people together to celebrate their city and culture with one Pathotsav scheduled every month. This means that the city's residents can look forward to an ongoing series of vibrant events that promise to offer a rich mix of entertainment, creativity, and community spirit. Today marked the second Pathotsav of the year, and the event was held in great style, with participants showing immense enthusiasm. The Jagamara New Road stretch was transformed into a lively cultural space where the usual bustle of traffic gave way to vibrant performances, creative activities, and the spirit of celebration. People from all walks of life gathered early in the morning, despite the chilly weather, to witness and take part in the day's exciting events. The event featured a wide range of activities and music was at the heart of it. Renowned singer Satyajit took center stage, enthralling the crowd with his soulful and emotional melodies that resonated through the morning air. The crowd was soon swept away by the rhythmic and lively tunes of Asima Panda, whose songs had everyone swaying and tapping their feet to the beat. These musical performances set the perfect tone for the festival, keeping the energy high and the audience engaged throughout.
ଭଲ ଲାଗୁଛି ମାନେ this is something very different which is happening ଆଉ ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ପ୍ଲାଟଫର୍ମ ମିଳୁଛି ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗାରେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଆସିକିରି ନିଜ ନିଜର ଟ୍ୟାଲେଣ୍ଟ ବି ଶୋ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ବାକି ଯେତିକି ଆର୍ଟ ଫର୍ମ ଅଛି ସେଗୁଡ଼ା ବି ଶୋ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ତା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଖାଦ୍ୟ.
In addition to the music, the event also showcased traditional dance performances that highlighted Odisha's rich cultural heritage. Performers danced gracefully to the beats of Sambalpuri and Odissi music, offering a visual treat that captured the essence of the state's artistic traditions. These performances added a unique cultural flair to the day's celebration, leaving the audience spellbound by the beauty of Odisha's classical art forms. The event was also a big hit among children who were thrilled to take part in special activities designed just for them. Yoga sessions were held for the little ones, helping them connect with their body and minds in a fun, relaxed environment. The children were also excited to interact with stilt walkers, clowns, and skaters, creating a whimsical and joyful atmosphere that made the event even more memorable. Many children enjoyed taking pictures with these performers, adding a magical touch to their Pathotsav experience. This Pathotsav, like the upcoming ones, is more than just a celebration of culture. It's a vibrant gathering where the people of Bhubaneswar can come together to enjoy music, dance, art, and community, while also embracing the spirit of unity and fun. With 10 more Pathotsav to go this year, residents can look forward to even more opportunities to immerse themselves in the city's rich cultural fabric.
पथोत्सव को विभिन्न जगार आम आउे आपको प्रत्येक वर्ष अंतत पक्षे मसरे गोटे करूँ और शीत दिने सप्ताह को करने को मनस्थ करा लोकंर भाव आ भल पाइबा जड़ित होची कला संस्कृति साहित्य को प्रस्फुटित करुँच शुभ सकाल को संपूर्ण भाव में शीतुआ सकाल को उपभोग कर तेणु ये बीएमसी माध्यम बीएमसी निष्ठार सहित काम करुँची मु सर्वप्रथमे निश्चित भाव में ये भुवनेश्वरवासी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद अभिनंदन शुभेच्छा ज्ञापन करुँची जो भाई भाव में प्रवासी भारतीय माने आसी से जो भाव में स्वागत कले भुवनेश्वर जो कीर्ति गारिमा को रक्षा कले से भुवनेश्वरवासी को मो तरफ बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन और शुभेच्छा और धन्यवाद. प्रति वर्ष हम ये आम प्रथम शीत 3 मास को आम करने को चाहूँ तापर प्रत्येक वर्ष प्रत्येक मसरे ये पथोत्सव हाँपाई योजना कराऊँच जहाँकि लोकंर आग्रह रहिबो बीएमसी सहित संपर्क बढ़िबो लोकंक भितर आदान प्रदान हेबो ये कथा बीएमसी करने को चाहूँ.
देखंतु आज होची 2025 पथोत्सव द्वितीय संस्करण एटा मध्य नुआ जगार करा जायछि जोटा कि जागमरार न्यू रोड आमे टिके डाउट रे थिलु लोक माने सेतिकी रेस्पॉन्सिव है कि आसीबे कि नाही किंतु जे देखंतु केमदे हजार हजार लोक आछचंती एथरे तांकर ए जो उपस्थिति रही से उपस्थिति हमको आहरी एनकरेज करछे. ऑलरेडी माननीय मंत्री कहि सारचंती जे 12टा हबो बोली वर्षा दिने तो हेई परिबोनी आपण जानिचंती वर्षा दिने प्रॉब्लम रहबो किंतु आमे प्राय मंथली आसंता रविवार तो हबो नॉर्थ रे जोटा शिखरचंडी पाखे हुए सेटा तो होपर आम प्रति मास गोटे गोटे करूँ कि वर्षा दिने जोटा पॉसिबल नुहे वर्षा दिने करूँ चेष्टा करूँ 12टा करने एटा गोटे बहुत बड़ा मौका लोक पिलामानक भितरे लोकमानक भितरे जो टैलेंट रही से टैलेंट को देखापी एटा गोटे माने बड़ प्लाटफर्म मिलूँ आ ता सहित लोक मानक सहित मिसिबार गोटे सुजोग होची समस्ते समस्त सहित आउ मोनोटोनस लाइफ रू कारण सहर लाइफ जो भाई भाव में व्यस्तबहुल हो जाइए तो से बाहर के टिके रिलैक्स हवापाई जोटा कि तांको स्वास्थ्य पाई बहुत भल सेटा मध्य हो पारुचे आउ यही माध्यम आम से एनकरेज करुचु जे ये सहर होची तांकर ये सहर को सुंदर करिवार दायित्व मध्य तांकर आउ ये सहर को एंजॉय करिवार दायित्व मध्य तांकर।
Stay tuned to Orissa Post Live to stay updated.